Okay guys, currently I am with Mr. Kapil from Silver Wings. Okay, so I want to just showcase the product that he had, something with VR, AR and some couple of AI. So check out this pretty much very cool stuff from him. Okay, so this is the 3D image of New Balance shoe. It's actually a hologram. This is the hardware that he had currently. So you need to purchase the hardware itself. They give you this 3D effect and the software. Okay, you can actually literally turn everything. It's, you can see from here exactly, but from my angle, it's actually protruding out. Right, and so you can put any product that you want, or you can do it for example, medical. Let me check. Let me show you the medical one. Okay, I show you this one. Can you check it out? This bone. Oh, there you go. Is it? This the bone. Right? Actually, it's putting up. So if you are in for example, a medical firm or you're a biology student, you can actually see the content. 3D effect, hologram. Super cool, right? Okay, check it out. There's another one from him. So this is actually you can link up to VR and also AI. So it's built together. Okay, so you imagine that if you want to do any coaching, training, you can set this up. The virtual assistant can help you, assist you, or you can do it the other way. So you can do this for OJT, training, maybe coaching session, and anything that they have in mind. So this can be built for you. Go.
All right.
Say something.
Hi, how are you doing?
How to be doing well when my mother's suffering and bills piling up? You think this is easy for me, is it?
I'm here to help you, Tell me, how can I help you today?
Help? You all say that only. Look at all these bills. My mother's medicine, children's school fees. How to survive with $900 only? I need more money, not talk. You think I can just breathe and relax like that?